Hey guys, what's up? Time for some more Super Smash Bros. Brawl. And the camera is closed. Okay, guys. I'm just kind of annoyed at something, so I'll tell you it now. Are you guys Annoying Orange fans? No? Well, okay, I'm sure you should be, okay? If you are an Annoying Orange fan, what has been going on forever is Marshmallow a boy or a girl? People have been asking that, and now they're trying to do this thing on new videos that is thumbs up so we can find out if Marshmallow is a boy or a girl. Or thumbs up so we can find out what gender Marshmallow is. Honestly, guys, I know what gender that is. My friend knows what gender there is. 159 Zachariah knows what gender it is. It's a boy. You wanna know why? In the song, in Marshmallow's theme song, it says he's so cute. He means a boy. I wouldn't say he to my sister, would I? No. Well, occasionally I do on accident. But that's on accident, okay? So, I don't know what they're trying to do. Anyway, here we have the field. We're at the research facility that's floating in midair for some reason. Over there's the lake, which I need to do at the end. Because it's a flag. Check this out. This part's so wrong. Ugh. Look at this. That's so inappropriate. That's profanity or something. That's Zero Suit Samus, by the way. A minute. Okay, I'll show you her special moves. Suzu Samus isn't too bad a character. Okay, so she has that, which she can charge or shoot. Then she has her side whip. Oh, snap, sorry, but I'll just show you in here, I guess. Her up whip. And then her down move is pretty damn stupid. It's that. Oh yeah, check this out. Okay, ready? It's pretty stupid. I don't even know what it does. She's not too bad a character, but if I had to choose, I wouldn't really start with her. Die! You know the screw badge thing? It's actually from her game, Metroid, but she usually appears as Samus. I'm just gonna get this. What's just here, up a floor. Walk forward. Shoot me. I told her to shoot me. What did she do? She shoots me. Not very stupid. Not very smart, eh? First I go over here, kill this person. Actually, I don't know if these sentries are boys or girls. I guess they'd be boys. Here we are. Backflips. Yeah, no, stop doing flips. Look at this part. How did she notice this now? Pikachu. Oh, snap. Oh, I probably shouldn't have said that, but then again, you guys know who that is. See, it is Pikachu. It's a generator. It's trying to like steal energy from him. The scream is so weird. Look, she just breaks it. Look how fast all those ROMs get there. It's like instantaneously. Look, Pikachu comes out. Sparks. I like Pikachu way better than Zero Suit Samus. And then stupid music comes back again. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through the door now. Pikachu, he's not bad. Standard special move, Volt thingy. Side special move, chargeable. Launches automatically. Up special move. I don't even know what that's called. But it's a charge, okay? That special move calls down lightning. Easy one hit KO. Pikachu has a gun and refuses to take his medication. Die already. I can't believe it. Wow. I'll just kill this guy first. Actually, no, the best idea is to kill these things first. Oh, snap. No, survive. Yes. No, what are you doing? Idiot. I never actually caught one of those things in the trophy stand before. Yeah, now it says Risk Paralyzer. That's what her gun's called. She has a machine gun. It's actually called a Super Scope, though. Die. Wow, another hammer comes. That's hilarious. So it takes a while. Okay, then you get the key. Run. Jump over this thing. Jump up here. Throw it at the door. Go over here. Jump over that thing, get up here, kill this guy, run up, take the key, throw it at him, run over here, yes, got it. That's a really hard move to pull off. Then grab this, run back over here, jump, throw it, go. This video is already getting long. All that, just hit a button. All that just for a button. Stupid button. Why could you have been easier to get to instead of making me go all that way? Look at her. She just flips a lot. Pikachu just sparks. That's Pikachu's move. Yeah, my cheeks are sparky. Oh, what you can do about it? Yeah, that's Pikachu. Go up here. In here. Yeah, I'm just adjusting. Oh, then this thing moves automatically. I just need to kill whoever gets here. And watch out for Jakes. I'm just basically steady here. And nothing's hitting me. Except for that thing that almost hit me. Monkey, just sort of wait here. Kill this thing. kill this one. And this entire floor comes down. I can get through without hitting the jack. Okay, ready? Now. Yes. Gonna try to get through this without hitting a jack. Here we go. Dang it. Ooh, rocket launcher. Rocket launcher went away. Dang it. Now let's take this way. Jump here. Like do this thing. Ah. You've got to be kidding me. It takes forever to get up there. This video is almost over already. Because my phone has like a time limit that you can record for before you have to split it into 2 parts. Wow, I destroyed all 3 of them. Just punch this thing, get an extra life. Wait. That was like ping pong bounce. You go in here. And you come here, and you have to kill a bunch of these things. I highly suggest not, like, just leaving, because it's a waste of your time if you kill everyone. Because they just keep coming for, like, the next 15 minutes. And just skip these things. They just shoot missiles at you. They usually don't even touch you. Except for that when that happens. Get this stuff. And then just jump over here and go through it. Jump up. You need to get up there somehow. Yeah, then gigantic bitings come. This thing you need to kill. Well, at least you should kill it anyway. Whoa. Ah, dang it. These things are like giant beach balls that multiply instantaneously. Snap bombs. Dang it. I got hit by the first one. I missed the bomb, then he shot me into it with his miss. Ah! Dang it! Okay, this time I'm just gonna rush through without worrying about bombs. And now I need it. Wow. I just got owned. Now I'm Pikachu. Check it out. I see the light. Yet it seems really far away. Wow, this video has like so little time left. Come on, make it, make it, make it, make it. Yes! Made it. And just look at this cutscene. And that's her power suit. Where is the power suit? I guess that's it, guys. Bye.